Meaning of free vote.
Free vote.
Free vote.
Free vote.
Free vote. A free vote is a parliamentary vote in which members are allowed to vote according to their conscience or personal belief, rather than following a party line or being bound by a whip. Free votes are often used on matters of conscience, such as ethical or moral issues, and are seen as a way of ensuring democracy and individual freedom within the legislative process. The result of a free vote can be unpredictable, as members may vote against their party's position, but it can also provide a clearer picture of individual opinions and values within Parliament.